What are AI tools? Hey there, welcome to our video on AI tools everyone should know. Today, we'll explore what AI tools are, why they matter, and how you can use them in your daily life. But before we dive in, let's define what AI tools are. Artificial intelligence tools are computer programs that use algorithms to perform tasks automatically, like analyzing data, recognizing patterns, or making predictions. Examples of AI tools. Let's start with some examples. AI tools are all around us. For instance, virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa use AI to answer questions and perform tasks. Another example is language translation apps like Google Translate, which use AI to translate text and speech in real time. You've probably also used AI-powered image recognition tools like Google Photos to identify and organize your photos. Types of AI tools. Now, let's talk about the different types of AI tools. There are three main categories: narrow AI tools, which are designed to perform a specific task, like image recognition or language translation; general AI tools, which are designed to perform any intellectual task, like solving puzzles or playing games; and superintelligence tools, which are hypothetical AI systems that are much smarter than humans. AI tools in productivity. Let's explore how AI tools can help with productivity. For example, AI-powered note-taking tools like Evernote or OneNote can help you organize your thoughts and ideas. AI-driven email clients like Gmail or Outlook can suggest replies and even respond to emails for you. AI tools in creativity. AI tools can also aid in creativity. For instance, AI-powered writing tools like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor can help you improve your writing style and grammar. AI-driven art software like Prisma can transform your photos into works of art. AI tools in education. AI tools are also being used in education. For example, AI-powered adaptive learning systems can adjust to a student's learning pace and style. AI-driven grading tools can help teachers with assignment evaluation and feedback. How to get started. So, how can you start using AI tools? The first step is to identify which tasks you need help with, whether it's productivity, creativity, or education. Then, explore different AI tool options and choose the ones that best suit your needs. Recap and call to action. That's it for today's video. To recap, we've covered what AI tools are, examples of AI tools, types of AI tools, and how to get started with using them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below with your favorite AI tool. We'll see you in the next video.